These are the elevators at the Cigar factory in the Strip District, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are dual commercial Oildraulic elevators with Impulse HIGdros. Over, down the ground, turn it down. Fire alarm in there, that's interesting. High hydraulics, I think these may actually be Thyssen Dovers. Yeah, these were installed in 1999, so they're Thyssen Dovers. Ground. Or garage, maybe, I don't know. Go up to 6. And turn it up. Bit sick. 7th floor hydros. That's the magic of Dover Oildraulic for you. I think there's also an old Westinghouse freight elevator from what I heard. So hope I can ride that. Hopefully it's not in a single tenant space. Got epic Chewbacca motors. Here's 6. Dim. Yes. Front one chair just goes back down to 1. Nice stainless steel cabs. This is different though. I wonder if that's what's underneath this. I think we're going to be making a stop on the way down because that rain. Certificate got installed in 1999. It was very weird how it's good too.